Hello, in this video, we will show you how to export videos recorded on AREG media stations. There are several ways to export videos recorded on AREG stations, both automatically and manually. We have already covered some of them in videos linked below, where we explain how to export videos to USB directly from the station's UI, and how to set up automatic backup and video transfer to a NAS, integrated VCMS, and Google Drive. Now, let's take a look at how to do it using the Video Manager page. Using Edge or Chrome, input the IP address of the station and navigate to the Video Manager page using the arrows. Log in and you will see all the videos recorded on the station. You download them to your PC, select the videos, and then use the arrow down icon to download them to your computer. There are several files inside, so you will have to allow multiple downloads or save them one by one depending on your browser settings. You can also open this to select individually what do you want to download. From this interface, you can also manually upload videos to connected NAS, VCMS, or Google Drive by selecting the videos and clicking the Up arrow button. If a video fails to upload correctly, it will display a red icon and you can select it and click the arrow with the circle to upload again. And that is all. For more training videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit us at www.adena.com.